what the poor people are doing today.
They're driving around for snake calls.
So what do we have here? A brown snake in the kitchen underneath the fridge. That's the story. Karen reckons it's a copperhead. I'm going to say it's a blue-tongued lizard. We'll see. It could actually even be a brown snake, but I highly doubt it, since we're not really in brown snake country.
It's a copperhead. Jesus.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is a nice place. Yeah, I think we have been here before. Oh wow, we got an audience too.
Hey, not bad.
Coming so quickly.
That's okay.
Hi, I'm Karen.
Not when we've been the owners, but there's a lot of snake paraphernalia around here, so we're not surprised that you have been here before.
Yeah, we've been here before.
Yeah.
I remember
having
it
two
well.
boundaries that are on the national park,
Looks like you're entertaining too,
and we're trying to have a dinner party. So just what you
We're
needed.
just in time. Cracking the beer out of the fridge because there's a
That's
snake
right.
underneath.
We're all standing around the fridge going, what can we do?
It wouldn't stop me.
No, look, it hasn't stopped us completely. Well, these are all the neighbours too, so they're very interested in...
Hi neighbours, how are you?
This is great excitement,
This
but
is
pretty scary
Barry-
at the same time.
Barry and Karen, this is
Hi,
Jane.
Barry and Karen.
Hi, how are you?
Hi guys, how are you?
Oh.
Okay.
And Greg's the
I
local,
have to
right?
video because I've got someone who wants to see it.
Sure, yeah. The video, we can move this fridge out easy enough, can't we?
Can I come over to the
go.
video from here?
We were just being bed.
What do you need?
We've got a bit of a show
wasn't the
over
snake.
here.
Okay. Alright, so you can back off, you can back away. And
So
we'll,
you can come back here so I can do a good video.
because if this is a brown snake, it is a dangerous animal.
It is a brown.
If it is brown, I doubt it.
Oh, do you? Damn
Yeah,
it.
we're not really a brown snake country here, but then I've been wrong before.
I don't know.
She reckons it's a copperhead. I'm saying it's a blue-tongued lizard.
Oh no, it's not a blue tongue, I saw
No,
it.
we might just have to watch that motor that's up there as well. Can we?
Yeah.
Can you reach that?
I can.
Yeah, I can, but I don't.
What? Oh,
Yeah, that's what it's called.
Yeah, Linda does that thing for something.
but it will.
Someone's going to stand there and hold
I'm
it.
not standing here. There's absolutely. Hang on. Can we put it?
side.
Just take it up in there. That's a good idea. The dog wants to come out. There's a dog missing.
Is the door behind the fridge? No.
Going down.
Okay, this has got a bit of weight in it, hasn't it? It should slide.
Got a couple of dozen bottles of grog in there.
And who saw this now?
Me.
Okay, and what colour was it?
Well,
It looks like a
it looked
tiger.
pretty brown to me. I think Yellowstone.
Alright, that's alright.
I don't know what that was.
I might have been just a little nut off the end of the thing. Yeah, hand doing that.
Good man. It just never ends, does
Not
it?
on wheels, but it's...
It's a big bridge.
Yep.
There it is. Can't
Oh,
see
it's
it.
not a brown snake or a blue tongue. Or a
is it?
copperhead.
Oh,
It's a tiger snake.
that's a tiger.
Yes, Sam! Way to go. Did you get it, Mars? I can't see it.
It's alright, I'll bring them out for you in a sec.
Can we put it through?
Right.
You just picked him up. Oh. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. So would he have come in through the door?
Spider webs.
Oh, what's that?
Here's
Food
a-
itself.
Yeah, you might need a mop a bit later.
Snake poo.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Okay, right. Tell me, would it have come through the front door?
Yeah, if you leave the door open, he's going to come in through it.
Okay.
Have you got mice in here?
Mice?
Yeah.
No, I don't think
have
so.
had some nice.
Okay. Well, anywhere a mouse can go, a snake can go.
Oh, what's it got in his... Oh, it's got a spider web on his...
Yeah, he's got spider webs on his face. He
Oh,
doesn't
he's
know.
feisty.
He is a bit feisty. I'm going to put him away.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh. Thank you. Well, that was quick and easy, wasn't it?
Well, yeah, it was a good one, yeah.
And where do you take him?
I don't know, where do you want him?
Just as a...
Oh, the neighbours are here, so we'll have the neighbours.
forest just next door.
Oh look, we're slopping over with snakes around here. This one just happens to be inside the house. They're just everywhere, so it's no, by removing one snake, I'm really just opening up the place for another. So if you've got a little bit of land, if you've got an area out there that, like a creek or a dam, where you don't mind having the snake, I can put him there, or I'll just take him away. I'll just take him away and let him go somewhere else. There's heaps of places. I've actually got people who own property not far from here who will gladly put him up.
The bridge down there, there's a creek.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, where the kangaroos are. Yeah.
Huh? I reckon
There's a couple of huge kangaroos
Yeah,
down
because
there.
we came across it on the way.
Save that for next year's Christmas party.
Anyway, you won't see this one again. Even if I was to drop him there, just outside of there, you would never see this particular snake again. He's going to do it over.
So do you reckon, I just had a thought, we were actually doing lots of gardening yesterday in those hedges, clipping all the hedges. Do you think we've upset him and that's made him come inside? Could that
No,
have been a possibility?
I think someone's left the door open.
Those doors are now closed from
Do you have
now on.
dogs or cats?
We've got a dog in here as well.
Does he come and go with the dogs? Yeah.
Out the doors, yeah.
Okay, well, what a snake does, he comes up against a hard surface and just goes tap, tap, tap until he finds a gap, and then he just enters, you know. They're pretty curious.
Right.
They take it, they take advantage of any
Yeah, nice and warm and all the rest of it.
Yeah.
Where was it, when you said you'd been here before, where was it that time?
It was years ago, and
Yeah.
I've been to most of the houses up here and down the end of Eastern Kangaroo.
Right.
Right.
Was it in this house?
I'm pretty sure I have been to this house. We have
It was in here.
Definitely this house.
And was it a tiger as well?
I
next door?
I think it was in the bedroom actually.
It was in the bedroom.
Yeah.
We're going to rename
Because the cleaner was here. The cleaner let us in, didn't she?
Really? Which bitch?
See? Not anymore.